I cannot honestly say it is looking like summertime here in Florida now. Also, getting over kind of sick. A horrible sinus infection. Can't really hear anything out of this year, so I'm going to see if there's any kind of medicine at my local pharmacy real quick. But yeah, summertime's back. Starting Saturday. Hey everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. We are here today at Seaworld Orlando. Now, just want to give a couple quotes. If I sound a little different, last Saturday, well, I had a very bad, I don't know, all of a sudden, 6 o'clock, I just wasn't feeling myself. Throat was getting sore, getting like really sick. Didn't know why, but feeling better now. We're here at Seaworld Orlando because Saturday is the grand opening for Pipeline. I will not be here for Saturday, and it's also the first day of summer spectacular stuff. So I want to see what we can check out. By the way, it is a beautiful day, right? I mean, there's nothing going on behind me. It's a beautiful day. Pipeline is in Pass Holder Preview, I believe today and tomorrow. My buddy today was lucky enough to ride Pipeline. He also got me a POV, so that'll be up on the channel later. And if I can remember, I'll put it in a vlog for you guys to watch. It is also a little more busier of a day here today at SeaWorld, just due to the fact that Pipeline is in Pass Holder Preview. That might scare a lot of people away though. Just look ahead of you to see the beautiful skies. Before anything else, I don't want to go far. If you're a fan of the Florida Panthers, congratulations on going to the Stanley Cup Final. Good luck, because it looks like you guys could be playing Vegas next round if they sweep tonight, but good luck to the Florida Panthers fans. As a Lightning fan, I'd be cheering for the other team, but good luck. As we do it to SeaWorld, looks like they got some shaders up now. Test for Electric Ocean. Not doing Electric Ocean this year, so Summer Spectaculars. Here's your first little bit of an update. It's actually really cool to have. Keep yourself cool. Summertime. And inside the SeaWorld store, side entrance. Nothing really new, but they have sold a lot of the SeaWorld Rescue merch. Oh wow. As we enter waterfront, just no decorations up for Summer Spectaculars. Don't really know what's going on. Really no decorations whatsoever. They still have 7 seats, food festivals, signs still up, except for just right here. They finally turned that over to SeaWorld Orlando, but there is really nothing up for the summer festivities. And if any summer festivities would be going on over here, last year this time there was plenty of stuff that was set up all throughout the park. Right now I see nothing. It looks like the pipeline is open. You just scared the fuck out of me.
I yelled your name 5 times.
I didn't hear you.
I was just about to head out. Yeah, but what time is the preview tonight?
You got a beer and smart water stand right here.
The gift shop's open too, by the way.
Oh, really?
Very little stuff though.
That's what I figured. What's this?
So when I don't get scheduled, I get mornings.
There's the ride entrance to the ride. Wow. That's the gift shop right here. We'll take a look at that in a sec. You can just see the water and the surf. Let's check out the high surf real quick. See what we got. Oh, the pipeline, couple pipeline shirts, cup, photo picture, coins, a hat. That's literally basically it.
I didn't see these.
Good stuff. Wow. There's a lot of work and construction going on. We can finally not come over here. Watch people hang 10. It looks like at least the main stage is done for whatever they're doing for this summer. And back here. Since the only thing that's done for summer spectaculars, nothing on the other park. That's kind of sad. But it's coming in September. We'll start emptying through right back over here for Hollow Scream. The other thing is, we didn't have to take the bridge neither. We just took the pipeline way. Right here, right in front of Icebreaker now. Yeah, we'll get a lot of summer spectacular stuff coming up soon. Hopefully, if we try to get pipeline to come through. I mean, Icebreaker. Keep it going. That's kind of new. I like it though. Keep making our way this way. And now it looks like we have an icebreaker food booth. Just right for Sesame Street. And that's 2 burgers. Just right over here where Wild Arctic is. And now it looks like all the Sesame Street rides here in Sesame Street are back up in operation. Last couple bits we were here, the Cookie Monster ride was down. That is now back open. Good to see. Looks like Captain's Revenge is getting more and more work done every single day. Starting to have to hide things as well from us. I can see a bag thing like right there. Infinity Falls looks like it's closed. By the way, yes, we still got the vodka tasting and they've done a lot to the stands. What's this? What is this? Mako has officially reopened. Looks like the trains got shorter though. A whole lot shorter. Looks like they shortened down Mako a little bit. It's only a 15-minute wait, but yeah, Mako's reopened. And as soon as I make it out to Shark Underwater Grill Bar, the skies open up. That's just lovely. It is starting to come down a little heavier now. And heavier now. I feel like something's gonna go here soon. Just not sure when. But we're gonna try to keep on walking. And then we try to fight the rain off for a little bit. Oh, here we go. It's still raining, but the construction's just right up there. I'm coming back Sunday for a little bit, so we're probably gonna cut this short. New Orleans. And all. Ignite. Feel the energy. Fireworks show. I did not know they had a year-round Christmas store here at Seaworld. Really didn't. This is just new on me because the rain hit. There's a Sea Fire girl. This will become part of the Hollow Scream store for a while. All right, SeaWorld, we're out of here. See you guys to the next one.